Good morning, guys. It is June 24th, and I just wanted to take you along in a day in the life of what it's like in the summer for me. So for summer one, which is a 6-week session that started at the end of May and goes to the end of June, I've been taking 2 classes at BU. On Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to noon, I take probability and statistics, and then, which is EK 3-day 1. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the afternoon from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., I take my art history class, which is a hub class. It gives me like gen ed requirements. And I scheduled Monday afternoons to be my BMC volunteering and Wednesday afternoons to be my research lab. That way it makes the trips to Boston worth it because driving in traffic is merciless.
If I got $1 for every red light we were at, I'd be rich by now. First tea sighting of the day.
My stats class is in photonics, and we made it with, I think, like 4 minutes to spare. Stats, we were working on some coding lab thingy, which we've never done before. Usually it's a flipped learning model where we watch the videos at home and then we come to class and we just work on like the homeworks and worksheets. But today he actually had something planned, and I was like, it was like a shock to the system. Forgot to vlog, but we just ate lunch in the car for about 30 minutes, and now it's 12:30. And we're gonna head over to volunteering now. It's about a 15-minute drive.
Again, if I get $1 for every time we were at a red light, I'd be again rich by now.
Hey guys, I just got back home and I washed up some grapes that I'm eating right now. I couldn't film at BMC just because it's the hospital and patient privacy, but I had a fun time there. There was one child that was off the walls excited, and so I dealt with him for like an hour, which was very exhausting but pretty fun. And now I'm at home and I am just watching the lecture videos for statistics for tomorrow because of our flipped learning model. So we learn all of the content at home and then we go to class, and we're supposedly just working with each other to do the homeworks.
Strong.
Just pull her with you. I'm at Hannah's house now. Petting Heidi. She does not like the camera. Uh-oh. Come back. We're on a walk. Just came back from Hannah's house. We went on a bike ride, which is why my hair now looks like this. We took her dog on a walk and we planned a little bit more for our Rhode Island trip. I didn't really film much of it because I was just focusing on having fun. And I drove home and now I'm back to close the chickens up for the night. I just closed up the chickens and they're all good for the night. And we will visit them tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go inside. It is now 8:30. I was at Hannah's house for about 2 hours and we're gonna eat some dinner. I just finished dinner and it is now 10:20. I watched a little bit of the Olympics preview on NBC while eating dinner, so it took a little bit longer. I took a shower and I'm drying my hair, and I'm going to do some practice problems for the related machine learning and Markov chain sections for stats. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, June 25th now, and it is 8:17. I've been outside for a little bit. I woke up at 8 and I'm outside with the chickens. Just letting them roam this morning. Yeah. Good morning, Giver. Good morning, Oopsie. Oh, your mouth is dirty, Big Rock. And then there's two back there. I don't know where Miss Lots went. Morning, Brown and Rex. Morning, Skittish. Another day of classes. Getting ready to go. Made it to Boston. I'm waiting to cross the street to go to my stats class over there. And I have stats in the morning, 10 to 12. I have a 1-hour lunch break, and then I have my art history class from 1 to 4 p.m. Lunch time. I just finished lunch and I'm walking back to campus to go to my art history class. It is 12:50 and usually takes me like 5 minutes to walk back, so I'll be there by 1. And then also I got the results back for my MEDIC application, which is like an early acceptance to BU's med school, and I'll talk about that in another video. That'll be its own YouTube video because that was a really big deal for me. And then, whoa, I just tripped. Okay. And my art history class today's the last day of class because we have our final, which is a take-home final that will be given to us at around like 5 p.m. today, and so we just won't have class this Thursday. I'm going to my art history class now, and it is in the College of Arts and Sciences.
So it's kind of an overall process of simplification, of paring down, and streamlining that's happening across these words.
We're on a break. Just finished art history class, last one ever, and we're going home now. I just got back home. It was around 4:30 by the time I got home. I'm sitting outside. I watched the lecture videos for tomorrow, and I'm actually working a little bit ahead because I'm taking the final exam a day early so I can go camping. So I am working on some practice problems now for after watching those videos, especially on Markov chains. Fun, which is the last unit. And I just let the chickens like free graze while I work. Someone's a cute little peach. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Someone want to join me. Look at the Baba. Oh, pretty girl. Are you pretty girl? Can you get close-ups? Who's that? Oh, you look silly, girl. Oh, pretty girl. I just finished writing my art history paper, and I was about to go shower and like get ready for the night, and I guess I thought I would show you guys what it was. So basically our final is 5 essay questions, 2 mystery slide questions, and 3 compare and contrast essay questions. Each one has to be at least a page long, and yeah. So I'll just show you guys what I ended up writing. It took me 2 hours. So from like 10 o'clock, I worked on it a little bit, like right before dinner, but 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, I was writing like a machine. So this is what I wrote. So it is 15 pages. I'm very proud of myself. But maybe future me will have interest in this club class that I took this summer. That was kind of out of the blue, but it literally just keeps going. We had a slideshow of 5 different slides with images on them, so this is basically like me analyzing the images. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing tonight. I'm gonna see if I can open the slides. So mystery slide is this one and that one, and then compare and contrast were these, those, and these. Morning guys, it is Wednesday, June 26th. I woke up a little bit later than usual because I was up so late last night. I am gonna head out. It is 8:56 and we're gonna go to Stats this morning. They parked their cars nice and conveniently at the end of our driveway. I officially made it to Boston for my last day of Stats class. It would be tomorrow for most people, but tomorrow I'm gonna be taking the final because I'm gonna go camping later in the day and we're leaving. Empty classroom.
Okay, so that's the announcement groups. When I say a group, I mean 2 people.
We're eating lunch. We just finished the project. Cat, dog, bye-bye. And
Look at this! I win. Today's a good day.
I was eating lunch in that classroom and I played a little bit of Overcooked, just hanging out. And every month I do a couple of foster care reviews. They take place every 6 months for kids in the custody of the state. And we review determinations and make like recommendations for them to better support them in the care of the state. And obviously with the goal of reunification. So today I have a case review and it's all on Zoom, and it usually lasts about an hour and a half, so I will be on that. Just finished my case review. It lasted about an hour. It's now 3:30 and I'm gonna head home now and get prepping for the camping trip. Walking to the car. Going home. Oh my god, I will stay.
At the light, use the middle lane to turn left onto Commonwealth Avenue. Then use the second from the right lane to turn right onto Boston University Bridge.
Put like a graph of exam 1 scores and exam 2 scores, and then if you got a combined total of Vivace points or above on those exams, and it was like a pretty nice correlation. He was like, yeah, you don't have to take the final, and there were 6 people in the class who didn't need to take the final, and I was just looking at the graph. I was like, there's no way I'm on that graph at all, because the first exam I got an 86 on it, so I was like, yeah, that's not good enough. And then I was like the 3rd highest point of like the 6 people, and then he was like, yeah, like if you're unsure, like you can come up to me and ask if you need to take the exam or not. So I asked him and he was like, yeah, you don't have to come anymore. I was like, yes sir.
No, you said 第二名 at first, yeah.
The 3rd, yeah. But he said like basically these 6 people, like whether or not you take the exam, you are probably gonna get an A. So he was like, so I'm just gonna make sure that you guys don't waste your time, so you guys can just get an A.
就说你不 take 也是个 A 是吧？
Yeah, because he's like, if you take the exam, the correlation will probably still trend like that, so you'll still get an A. So may as well just save you some time and not take it.
那就是你们6个人不 take
Yeah. So the 6 of us. So yes, sir. Made it home. Let's let the chickens out. Girls, do you want to come outside? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you happy, girls? You want to take your bath? Oh, someone's going for a bath. Oh, no, she's leaving. She says, see ya later. I'm just gonna stay outside with the chickens while they dig and eat grass. And it's a beautiful day. Has amazing views.
Yeah. We're at the grocery store now.
Priorities.
Look at those savings.
Finished our shopping trip.
One bag. Now we're going to
Update, we came to Crumble.
Let's do
There's
lemon, right?
honey bun, chocolate pretzel, peanut butter and jelly, butter, and regular chocolate chip. Eating in the car. It's pretty good. Lemon flavor is approved.
What is that? I think someone robbed.
No, because I think we were still for
My
so
dad's probably calling me now, like, what's in the car? Look at it! Hello? I have no idea. So me and Sarah like sitting in the car for like longer than normal. We're just talking about our plans.
got home, heating up some dinner. Eating some fruit now. The leftover cherries. I'm almost done. These are all the pits. And I'm watching some YouTube. And yeah. Just relaxing. I've been packing for our camping trip tomorrow. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Ooh, the light is flickering. Lovely lighting. I'm basically for the rest of the day just going to be packing for our camping trip that we leave for tomorrow. I'll probably vlog most of it, and I'll also just be relaxing and watching some YouTube that I don't have to study for my stats final. Ooh, the lighting is not it in here. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I'm gonna upload it and then I'm gonna go to bed, and it'll be a fun couple of days. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!